Here I have VIVO IQOO U3, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So firstly you should select preferred language. I'll just stay with English. Then you can also select like some vision settings. It's like more for people who have blindness or some other vision problems, so I just skip this feature if you don't. If your vision is okay, then tap start. Here you have to select your region, could be Germany, okay. Tap next, then agree with the user agreement, tap next. Then agree with the privacy terms, tap next. Then agree with privacy terms once again, tap next. Then tap next. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but you can also set up device offline and connect to the Wi-Fi later. Then you have to set up date and time. Then you have to disable these Google services and tap accept. Then you can set up screen lock, but you can also just skip this step for now and do this later in settings. Then tap install manually. Then select gesture navigation. I mean, you can select if you want to use 3 buttons navigation or gesture navigation, but I suggest you to use gesture navigation. Tap next. And your device is ready to use. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.